Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Or should I just say welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. So glad you're back. If this is the first time that you're here, that means that you have not subscribed yet and you have not hit the notification bell. So do it now. Okay guys, so today I'm bringing you another quick off the shoulder DIY tutorial. Guys, just look at this top. I mean, like the detailing here on the arms, these sleeves are like, you know, I lit. And I also think that I chose the right fabric to just bring this top to life, give it more, I don't know, some je ne sais quoi, you know. It's got that thing, this top has got that thing. Alright guys, so let's get started on the tutorial and I'll see you guys at the end. And guys, don't forget to comment below, let me know what you guys think of the top, and make sure to check out my other off-shoulder DIYs. I've got a whole playlist of that, guys, so I'm gonna put the link above and make sure that you check it out. We're going to measure 10 centimeters from the top of the curve. Here's the top of the curve, and we're gonna mark, this is the 10 centimeter line, and we're gonna draw a line and just cut it there. Gonna cut that off. Okay, then next step is that we're going to measure 20 centimeters and we're gonna mark that. Draw another straight line. And we're gonna cut that piece off too. So we're done with this top part, so now we're going to be working with this bottom part. I'm going to fold it in half calculation, so I'm just going to measure 5 centimeters from this line and just mark. There we go. And then I'm gonna take the piece from the arm that I cut. That will determine the length of this, the front piece of the arm. And mark there. Alright, my beautiful people, you are at the end of my tutorial, guys. So don't forget to let me know what you think of the tutorial, guys. And if you have any questions, comment below and I will get back to you guys. And if still you have not done so, guys, if you still haven't subscribed, guys, make sure that you subscribe. You made it to the end of the video, that means that you must like it, so subscribe. Alright, so I'm gonna see you in my next DIY, guys. Bon voyage.